Now we're going to talk about two different theorems in Algebra 2. And the first one we're going over is the Remainder Theorem. If you divide a polynomial, f of x, by a binomial, x minus a, the remainder is the same as if you found f of a. So all that really means is we have these two different methods. One of them is called synthetic substitution. The other one is called direct substitution. With direct substitution, you would just be substituting everywhere you see the value of x with whatever you're looking for. So here, x is 4. Anywhere we see an x, we're going to put 4. In synthetic substitution, instead of replacing all of those x's and worrying about all of the exponents, we're just going to use the same rules as in synthetic division with that value. So we have our number on the outside and we do our synthetic division. And whatever we get as the remainder, that is the answer. That would be the exact same as if we just did direct substitution. So in our first example, we have f of x equals 3x to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x minus 2. We need to find f of negative 2. Now you could substitute negative 2 in anywhere you see x, but if you don't have a calculator, that could get really ugly. So instead, we're going to use that negative 2, and we're going to use synthetic substitution. Since there's no x, it's just negative 2, we're going to keep the sign. If it said x plus 2, then we would switch the sign. There's no x here, we're just keeping that negative 2 as a negative 2. Writing out all of the coefficients, we're not missing any terms, so we've got 3, 2, negative 5, 1, and negative 2. And we're going to treat this just like synthetic division. Start by bringing down the first number, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, and add. This very last number, that's the remainder, and that is our answer here. Another example. F of x equals 5x cubed plus 2x minus 1. We need to find f of 3. Starting with that 3, putting our half box. We are missing our quadratic term. We don't have anything with x squared, so we need to put our placeholder. With the x cubed, we have 5. Then next would be x squared, so we're going to put 0. Then we have our linear term, then our constant. Bringing down the 5, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, 141, add. And our answer is the remainder. So f of 3 is 140.